Can your Tesla Cybertruck actually keep your drinks ice cold on a scorching road trip? This 18-liter fridge from TESCYBERMODS claims to be the ultimate solution, and honestly, it looks pretty slick. It's designed to be a direct fit for the 2023 and newer Cybertruck, slotting right into that center console. The biggest selling point here is the zero modification aspect. It plugs directly into the factory 110V outlet, which is a huge win for anyone worried about voiding their warranty or dealing with complicated wiring. Under the hood, or rather under the lid, it's packing a 50-watt compressor. The company says it can go from room temperature down to a frosty 21 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. That's seriously rapid cooling. You can adjust the temperature anywhere from a cool 68 degrees, perfect for keeping salads crisp, all the way down to that freezing 21 degrees for meats or even medications. This flexibility is fantastic for all sorts of trips, whether it's a long camping adventure or just your daily commute. What I really appreciate is the thought put into the design beyond just cooling. The exterior is wrapped in premium leather, which not only looks good, but also acts as a cushion for your legs if you happen to bump into it while driving. Nobody likes a hard plastic collision. And the noise level. They're claiming a super quiet 45 decibels, which is comparable to a quiet library. Plus, the heat vents are strategically placed to blow downwards, keeping the cabin comfortable and helping the fridge dissipate heat 30% faster. That's a clever touch. Safety is also a big consideration. It has intelligent voltage protection that automatically detects your vehicle's power status and has a low voltage cutoff at 11.5 volts. This means you can leave it running in Sentry mode or while camping, and it should keep your stuff chilled for over 12 hours without draining your battery to the point where you can't start the truck. That's a peace of mind feature for sure. They also offer a 1-year warranty and 24/7 support, which is always reassuring. They even provide a 4K installation guide that shows how to non-destructively remove the console panels, which is great if you're a bit hesitant about touching your new Cybertruck. Overall, this TESCYBERMODS fridge seems like a well-thought-out accessory that integrates seamlessly into the Cybertruck. It offers powerful cooling, a comfortable and quiet user experience, and smart safety features, making it a compelling option for any Cybertruck owner looking to enhance their adventures.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.